Hello my people, I agree the full house so also na dey fine na do well so na take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless you now na do well for my body my people. Wonder shall never end, wonder shall never end oh. This one wey I bring come today wanna tell na people make them be careful, make them be careful. This man wanna dey see for here so wey sit down so na one lady na Port Harcourt for happen. One lady wey still dey okay small, they tell the woman say dem get land to sell. The woman fit buy land for their hand, so they come tell am say another one still dey. Na no na sometimes person fit call you say I get land or I wan sell am and e dey very cheap. You go say okay may I go look am. Na the woman go look the first one, he buy oh. The second one the woman no need am. So this man now wetin he come do, he come arrange for a friend, three of his friends, make they come go inside bush go meet the woman. They payment the woman, my brothers and sisters. They payment and the woman get 4 children. They manage, they go till they survive. All these people I don't know wetin they do there because of I know whether na because of money or the job, because I dey talk and say some people they no well. That one they no well at all. They payment the woman, e no even finish. They go carry this wetin they call am acid, na they put for a body. Now they are, but our some people their minds is too bad, they're too wicked. It's too wicked. Person when they look this one, so if now they even they look at how the video now watch and now they listen to wetin evil they talk. Person where evil they look at, you go say, go don't know say this one not be like person where they normal. It no normal. It no normal at all. Because many things where they happen for that country, many people they will no feel fine. You know they okay with the brain. Because all these things really they need to they check people where. If really say our country na better country, say na country where really they care for the citizen, therefore they do all these things, therefore they care, therefore they treat people. Because many people they there, whether na the son I can't cause am, whether na the work where they not can get to, I don't know what it cause am. Even this policeman even they talk and say many things they go on where they very bad, where they happen. Why this mind like this? People will just get bad mind to just your fellow human being. You just a plan as you want to just remove air come off for your nose. Where you know say you value your own, but you not value another person. The theory of a friend now that they look for them because all those ones they don't run. But I pray may hand meet them because the woman now. With children where you get now, that one now they don't come be no God, they can't be without a mother now. Who go come trade them? Who go come care for them? Nobody at all. And person where they manage in life they go. The theory now where gather do this thing now, they run. Then they feel say they not fit catch them. Then they think say they not catch them. I pray may hand meet them because all this because they feel go do another one again. Now be the problem. They feel go do another one every day. We dey hear many things, bad. We know they hear good one. The bad ones is too much because that country don't full of a sin too much for that land. The truth, it's too much because all these things not be normal thing again. Every blessed day you must hear one. You must hear. They know where this person will see this one. I go no say not they normal. May I put the video more than hear from what they use the mouth till they talk my people.
When you look at some of these cases, you begin to wonder, where are we heading to? So much wickedness, so much violence. Reuben, who hails from Eche in Rivers State, had earlier sold a piece of land to one Joy Saturday. Joy Saturday is a hard-working mother of 4, a petty trader who labored so hard to put together the first 250,000 naira to buy a plot of land from him. Thereafter, he lured this lady, pretended there's another vacant land for sale. Joy Saturday accompanied Prince to the bush side, ostensibly on an inspection. Unknown to this innocent, hardworking woman, Prince Reuben had conspired with 3 other of his friends, namely Nwaba, Promise, and Chinedu. During that inspection tour, Joy was kidnapped by these men. They took her into the forest, gang raped her, stole the only cash sum with her, 20,000 naira, and then shot her to death. After killing her, they poured acid on her body and then threw her body into the forest. Nwaba, Chinedu, and Promise are currently at large. These 3 young men are from Olapo in Eche in Rivers State. If I were using this opportunity to appeal to the good people of Eche and the good people of Rivers State, or anybody that has got any information whatsoever that could help the law enforcement agents, particularly the police, to locate these suspects, please do us this favor, do your conscience the favor, and do this country the favor in passing this information to any of the DPOs closest to you, the police public relations officer in Rivers State, or straight down here at the STS office, IRT office, or even the First Public Relations Office.
My name is Prince Reuben.
Why are you here?
I am here for the killing of Miss Joy Saturday. So on that day, I went to my working place. She called me on phone that she's coming to see the land. I said okay, that I went to work, that my closing time is by 4. She said okay, no problem, that when I close I should call her. So before then, my 3 friends told me that they are going to kidnap her and make money from her. I said okay, no problem. So on that day, they hung inside the bush. Then I took her to the land. So she saw the land. Then my 3 friends came out. We now kidnapped her and took her to the forest. We raped her. We killed her. We poured her acid.